Hey everyone, so here is an overview, like advanced overview of 1010 app, and I'm just sharing my experience, how to use it and all the details. So this app is kind of going viral these days, and it's a new social media where you can just talk with your friends on walkie-talkie mode. Yep, and that's the idea. 1010 app turns your phone into a live walkie-talkie with your best friends anywhere, anytime. Saying it, shout it, or whisper it, your friends will hear you live on their phone even when their screen is locked. It feels like they're right next to you. So that's the idea. A lot of teenagers really like to speak more like a walkie-talkie and not use, like AirPods or just holding the phone near your ear and stuff like that. So that's just what it is. So to install 1010 app, you just go and search for 1010 in the iOS App Store. Here is the App Store, and then here is the app. This is how it looks like, built by 1010. By the way, it's quite a small team of developers who are building and sustaining this app, so well done. And then, you can just tap on Get, and then you will be able to install this app on iOS. You can also install this app on Android, so it's also available on Android as well. So let's say we just installed it, and then you will see this screen. So what you should do next? So obviously the next thing is that you need to create an account. So let's tap. So you tap Let's Go, and here you see basically 4 buttons how to create an account in this app. You can sign in with Apple, sign in with Google, sign in with TikTok, use phone or email. I would really recommend you just to create an account using Apple, Google, or TikTok. It's just kind of easier and it's more reliable, because this app has some bugs with signing in and with creating an account. And if you tap on using your phone or email, you can see you can create your account with email. But you can't create your account with a phone number. If you try to create an account with the phone number, it kind of like doesn't work. So you can only log in with a phone number. And with email as well, there can be some glitches where if you just create your account with email, it's not gonna work. You're not gonna receive your confirmation text. So that's one thing. So what I did, I just created an account with Apple. But let's just see, you can also do that with TikTok. And I will just show you how it looks like for a new account. This looks like that. So when you sign in and trying to create new account, you enter your full name, and then the next thing, which is a bit annoying, you need to add more friends. So you need at least one friend to accept your request to be able to create an account. So unfortunately, that's just what it is. The good news is that you don't need like 3 friends or 5 friends. Some apps are really strict and you need to invite like 5 friends to begin using them. In this app, it's only 1 person, but still you need to invite your friend, and then that friend needs to accept your invite. So that friend needs to download 1010 app and accept your invite, and then you will be able to get in. Unless you have that, you will see this message that, hey, add more friends, waiting for one of your friends to accept your request, and it can take forever. So what you need is just basically, here is your PIN in top right. So here is your PIN code, which you can share with your friend. So just share this code with your friend, and then your friend should take this code and add you as a friend in 1010 app. So that also works. PIN, what is like PIN in 1010 is basically like your 1010 username. So they don't have usernames, they just have a PIN codes. That's basically how this app works. So here you have that. So this is just like your account until you add your friend, and you can be stuck on the screen forever until you add your friend. And you can tap on a plus and add your friend by PIN. That, like, imagine this is your friend doing, and then that's how it looks like. So that's just the same here. But okay, I will just show you my another account which I already verified. So here is my account. I usually sign in with Apple ID, and here is how it looks like. So there are some like friend requests. If you see a friend request on your profile, you will see something like that someone wants to be your friend. and then you can just close that request. And then here is how the app looks like. It's super easy. I actually like the design of it. It's super easy to understand. Again, it's just like a walkie-talkie app. The idea is that you just have friends and then you just hold to talk to these friends. I'm like, you see connecting sign and then you start a conversation. And then you just start a walkie-talkie session. Basically, your phone talks on the speaker mode. So that's just what it is. And then the cool feature is that even if you lock your screen, you continue talking with your friends. So you don't need to go back to the app, open it up, start a video call. This app just keeps talking with your friends in a locked screen. So that's a cool thing. Let me just show you. I did like some screenshots. So here's, for example, if you're in the call, this is how it will look like. So you will have, this is like your call screenshot. In the bottom, if you want to end the call, you will have like a red icon. To end the call, in the bottom left, you will have like a mute button. In the bottom right, you have a speaker button. Then you just hold into someone and then you can just pull down to ghost someone. Then you kind of leave conversation, and also yeah, if the other person is talking, you will see that person's name here with 3 dots. So yep, that's basically the idea of it. There are multiple things you can do. You can ghost, as I said. You can just poke. So try to hold a bit and then you will receive the notification that you are poking. Then like you can see if you're talking, if someone is online, you will see like is here notification. So things like that. And then a really important thing in this app is that if you tap on profile, you are able to mute someone. So that's really important thing in this app. Why? Because as I said, this app works on the lock screen. So even if you kind of locked your phone, you forget about it, out of nowhere, you can hear your phone speaking. If you're new to this app, this is just what will happen to you. And these are your friends who are just speaking to you. So that's what it is. And then you can speak to them as well. So yep, and imagine if you're in classroom or in a meeting and out of nowhere your friend starts a call. So to avoid that, you just need to mute your friends either for 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 or forever. Then you will see them muted, and then
Yeah.